Florence is a town of beauty. I'm lucky every day to go to our office. I drive through the Florence hills and head all the way up to Fiesole and then down to our headquarters. And it's a great drive in the Tuscan hills. So that would say, it's the best way to start my day.
The best part of working with my family is that they cannot fire me.
Working with the family and having a family business has its goods and its bads. We get to experience great emotions together. But as we say, my father is the president, my brother is the CEO, I'm the creative director, but the real boss is Mama. We are a Florentine family. We trace back to a long time the traditions of the family connected to the city. And we always say that we travel the world with Florence in our heart. The idea of made in Florence is one part of our DNA.
This Stefano Ricci company started in 1972 in a facility where my grandmother was making ladies' gowns. Then my father started designing tie collection, and within a few months they turned the production of the silk ladies' gowns into ties. When we speak about Stefano Ricci tailoring, we talk about an item with over 25 hours of workmanship made by our tailor.
We tend to have our own thin red line that we follow to be always faithful to our beliefs, quality and tradition, to where every product is made with pride in Florence.
I'm a great car fan since I was a little kid. And we do have together with my brother an old Ferrari 275 GTS, but I gotta be honest, I'm also a great fan of Aston Martin.
I love all vintage cars, but I have a great passion for my Jaguar E-Type, which is the first car my dad gave me as I finished my school, and I treasure it a lot because it's fun to drive and I have great memories with it.
The beauty of this location, and of course the hill on top where is located the school, today Collegio, alla Querce hotel, is that you are in the middle of the countryside, but you're only 5 minutes from the center. I was lucky that I was able to spend my full childhood in the same school. I was here for 13 years, my brother after me joined the school, and it was a very unique environment.
Collegio alla Querce feels like home. It still maintains that kind of a college club feel.
Areas like this room, La Sala dei Principi, here's where my parents were coming to speak with the teachers to see how bad or how good I was during the semester. You can find some of the paintings of the old straight-A student. Of course, I'm not in this wall because I was good, but not as good to be in this room with my portrait. So after, I would say, almost 30 years, I could see the same floors, the same heritage, the same stairs, the same marble, of course, with the unique new finishing that has been done from Auberge. It was something really touching for me to enter again in this place. When you build something, luxury, you need to look farther in order to take certain decisions which will not have an immediate result.
Preserving the true arts and crafts of Florence in order to preserve knowledge, share it to the world.
Our heritage is what we have, our traditions, and what we need to hands down to the future generation.